Now we are going to learn how to create shadows. There are many ways that you can create shadows in Illustrator. Now I'm going to be teaching you two of the important ways. If you are not already subscribed to the channel, go ahead now and stay tuned for more videos. Click the bell icon to get notifications from the channel. Okay, so the first one is you can first grab a rectangle from here. So click and drag to create a rectangle. Now all you have to do is go to effects. From effects you can come here to stylize. From stylize you can see there are many sorts of styling options you can choose from. For now let's choose drop shadow. From here if you click preview, as you can see it is getting previewed. You can change the offsets and see what's happening. Also the opacity you can reduce them or increase them. Also the blending mode from here you can change as how you want. Okay, for now I'm not going to use this method. It's always good to know if you know this. That's why I told you. Let's press cancel and let's try to create on an advanced way. So let me select this and reduce its size like this, something like this. So now let me also zoom in a bit. Now click that and select the mesh tool from here. Okay, when you do that, as you can see, when you come over here the cursor changes. So to this part click here. So not only for that part, also you can click here or you can click anywhere you want, but now right now I'm going to click to the exact center over here. Now I'm going to select the direct selection tool. The shortcut key is A. When you selected that, select all these corners. Now as you can see, as soon as you select the corners, the opacity menu appears. From here select that to set that to 0. Alright, so this part also I'm going to select all of these parts and I'm going to set that to 0. Also for this part I'm going to set, as you can see it is already in the 0. That is because this over here is already 0 which I selected. Now if I select only this part, it will show as some if I select this, it's showing as 100. That means it is 100% opacity. Now I want this to be selected to 0 and put all the way back to 0. Now the color is red, so I want that color to be changed to black. So I'm going to click this and going to double click over here and I'm going to select black. Also I'm going to select that and reduce its opacity to around like 56 or 50. Now what I thought is I would like to put this to here under beneath this red color layer. I want this to be. So if I straight away put that, as you can see, let me rotate that, also reduce its size. If I do that, it's on top of everything right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these, all of that, not the green part. Okay, instead of selecting that, somewhere like this, select like me, and all you have to do is press Ctrl plus Shift plus left square bracket key to send all whatever I selected to all the way to the back. So now if I put that there, as you can see it is placed there. So as you can see it's nice looking than before, like just a add-on. So even if you want to this place or anywhere you want, you can create shadows. Alright guys, we are at the last part of this series. So if you have noticed, I have already taught you this. When the shapes are outside, these shapes are outside, as you can see, this one too. So while you are exporting, don't worry, this won't be showing in your final image. So let's create a final image now. So to do that, all you have to do is go to file. From here you will see a option called export, right? Just click that export option. Okay, so let me choose the desktop, and as you can see, you can give a name for that. I'm gonna type as leaflet. There, as you can see, from this you can select uh, the extension that you want it to be. I'm gonna select JPG, that means the picture format. Select JPEG from here. Now if I drag this here, as you can see, it says, oops, what's happening? Okay, so it says use artboard, right? When you check that, whatever outside the artboard won't be visible, so make sure always you check this. Also it's asking which artboard to export, so I have only one artboard, so let it be in one. Also I can just select all if I need all artboard to be exported, or specifically you can give a range. Also make sure this use artboard is checked. From there you have to click export. After you done that, this option is appearing. So from here you can choose which color mode that you want to. So let me choose CMYK, because CMYK means printing color. Also you can choose the qualities. So let me choose the highest possible quality, which is 10 maximum. So I recommend you to select this. Also, as how I taught you earlier, that you can change resolution more than 300, that's by clicking other, and you can type your own resolution here. So let me choose 300. So you can just click none to give more quality. So if it's optimized, it's optimizing and making the size of the document to reduce a bit. If you want the document to be super high quality, you can press none. So it's all up to you, but keeping in optimized hinted will be great. So that's it guys. Also make sure this embed ICC profile is checked. Okay, so after you press OK, your image will be exported and you will get a nice looking JPG image of this leaflet what you created. Thank you for watching the ultimate poster leaflet tutorial series. Subscribe and stay tuned for more graphic design related videos. Take care.